And for those of you who haven't heard about TradingView, TradingView is a platform with over 100 million users worldwide. Most of those are retail investors, but our partnership extends their availability to institutional community, many of you here. Now, from within Symphony Messaging, you can launch charts, news, and market data instantly.
That's right, Liz. So remember that spike we saw in clients who were interested in copper? Now, I don't know about you. I'm not a copper expert. So let's use TradingView to find out what's going on. So first of all, I'm going to launch TradingView from the left nav here. And you'll see that will launch in my application. And you can see behind me an S&P 500 pricing chart. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good chart. Anyone in finance, I think, loves charts. If you've ever tried to explain market movements to someone without using a chart, it's a bit like trying to explain a roller coaster using hand movements. It just doesn't work. And I think TradingView have got some of the best charts in the market. So we need to find out about copper. So we're going to select the security finder up on the top left there. Thank you, Vinay. And this works a bit like a Google search. We'll just type in copper, and we'll see all the instruments that TradingView has related to copper. Down the left there, you can see all the pricing sources on the right-hand side. And in the middle there, you can see we can select by instrument type. So if we select futures, we can pick out the copper futures contract from COMEX there. And if we click on one of those, we get a pricing chart. Fantastic. That was easy. Now, I want to share this with my clients. We know they're interested in copper. So before I do that, I think I should add a bit more value to the conversation. And so, Vinay, can we add an annotation, maybe add a price change on there so people can see how much the copper market has moved? There we go. That was easy. And now I want to share this with my clients. So over there, I can share with Symphony. Now I could share with all my clients in a blast, or I can share with individual clients. So we're going to share with Pierre here. And as we do that, I can also add some commentary as well to tell Pierre how important he is to me and show him what I know about copper. And you can also see there that Pierre is actually on WhatsApp. So you can use the TradingView integration in collaboration with our Federation product. So let's send that message over. Thanks, Vinay.
But wait, Rob, there's more. As well as those amazing charts you love so much, there is also market news and data. So just on the right-hand side, to keep in trend with our copper trend, topic that's trending, we've got a little thunderbolt. And if we click into that, we can see some recent headlines, the most recent up top. Thank you, Vinay. And then just at the top, you can see not only the full story, but you can also see where you can share it. So of course, we're going to be biased to Symphony. And just as Rob did earlier, here I'd be able to find anybody that I'm connected to, either on the Symphony directory or anybody that I've started to speak to one of our Federation channels, such as WhatsApp.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
So Pierre is getting inundated with news about copper. He'll be happy. Right, so I said that TradingView has all sorts of data. If we go back to that security finder, you can see all the instruments that mean that you can stay in the loop on any emerging trends. So we can see here we've got stocks, funds, futures, Forex, crypto, and more, all at our fingertips there. So why don't we bring up NVIDIA, everyone's favorite AI company. And of course, I get a pricing chart, which you know I love. But we can also bring up more information about NVIDIA. So Vinay, if you can bring up some of the financials, we can have a look at financials, dividends, earnings, and so on. So I can get smart about a company very quickly. A huge amount of data here. And there's another share icon there you can see. So same thing. If I want to, I can share this information with a colleague or one of my clients.
And remember, everything we're showing you or have shown you today is available with your regular Symphony Messaging license. But you're probably wondering, what else can I get? So with the professional license, you can access 3 core things as well as many other features. 1, real-time data. 2 is additional charting features, including multiple charts. And 3 is the ability to even export data. So just think about the possibilities. And just behind me, you can see an example of one of those advanced layouts.